if you're looking to do some marketing for an upcoming open house, these are the programs that I would use. So I suggest first going to the marketing tab at the top, go to marketing programs and tools, and then you are going to scroll down for the Post and Courier open house ad, which is under newspaper advertising right here. You're going to click on that. Yours will look a little bit different than mine because it's only you as an agent. And then it's going to bring you to this form. You will submit a new open house form over here on the left. You'll fill out all the appropriate information, MLS number, what you want the property address to read as, the start and end time, list price. It gives you suggestions for what to put in these lines because, again, this is a newspaper ad, and I always recommend adding a photo for $5 just to help draw some more attention. That's the first thing I would do. You just hit save at the top. That's the Post and Courier open house advertisement. The second thing I would do on C1 Rose is I would do the Waze and HomeSpotter digital ad. That is over here for social media ads for listings on the left. You'll click this and you will fill out the information. $29.95 is the price of this advertisement. It's on social media. It's like a digital ad, a little icon that follows people around on social media. I'm not really sure how that works. And then also it goes on to Waze. So for people who are using Waze for navigation, if they are stopped at a stop sign or a red light near your listing, it's going to pop up saying that you are doing an open house, or not necessarily your listing, but near your open house. So you'll fill out all this information. You don't have to put your seller's information in here if you don't want to. If you're just doing the open house ad on behalf of somebody, then you don't have to fill those out. And then you will put your headshot in there just so that your ad is actually advertised with your headshot. You'll submit acknowledging the price and then hit submit. Those are the two marketing programs I would use on open houses if I were doing open houses. Good luck. Let me know if you need help.